Hello everyone, good evening everyone. Hope you all are doing great. So today we are here with another topic. The topic is versus have to. We all have heard about the same. हम सबने सुना है have as a verb as an obligation. ये दोनों हमारी verbs as an obligation use होती हैं. Obligation bounded होते हैं कि to follow the rules and regulations. बट ऐसा क्या डिफरेंस है कि जहां हमें मस्ट यूज करना होता है और जहां हमें हैव टू यूज करना होता है. दे बोथ आर फॉर ऑब्लिगेशन. दिस इज ओके कि ये जो दोनों वर्ब्स हैं ये ऑब्लिगेशन के लिए यूज होती हैं. बट व्हाट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस? इन दोनों में डिफरेंस ऐसा क्या है दैट वी हैव टू कीप इन आवर माइंड while using the word must versus have to will be has to as well as per the usage of the subject. If the subject is singular, we have to use has to. If the subject is plural, we have to use have to. As well as sometimes we use have got to. So it gives the same sense. अगर किसी सेंटेंस में आपको have got to दिया हुआ है, so it is as per the same sense have to has to. Okay. Next is must. So they both are used for obligation. But what is difference? The major difference is it is used for personal. Personally I use the same. अगर मुझे कहीं obligation on the basis of personally, then I use this must. But this is not personal. It is not personal. It is on the basis of law or rule. इसमें जो स्पीकर होता है, ऑब्लिगेशन जो है वो स्पीकर की तरफ से ही आती है. बट इसमें जो ऑब्लिगेशंस होती हैं वो आउटसोर्सेस की तरफ से आती है. इसमें जो ऑब्लिगेशन है दैट doesn't come from the side of speaker. आपके अंदर एक फीलिंग आ रही है कि शी इज इन नीड, उसको जरूरत है, शी इज इन नीड, आई मस्ट हेल्प हर, मुझे उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. सो हियर द ऑब्लिगेशन इज ऑन यू एज पर personal benefit or being you are empathetic or sympathetic towards her. But in this case, if I am writing a sentence, he must wear helmet while driving, and he must wear a helmet while driving. And in the options you have must as well as has to. अब हम सेंटेंस पढ़ते हैं और हम बेसिक रूल बच्चों को समझाते हैं कि जहां कहीं भी ऑब्लिगेशन होती है और आपको उस रूल को फॉलो करना होता है. whenever we are teaching modal verbs to students and whenever we are also learning modal verbs, तो हम सिर्फ एक ही बेसिक रूल लर्न करते हैं कि मस्ट का मुझे यूज करना है whenever we have obligation. बट यहाँ जो ऑब्लिगेशन है इट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रूल्स और लॉ. ये रूल्स और लॉ के बेसिस पर है कि उसे हेलमेट पहनना चाहिए वाइल ट्रेवलिंग या वाइल ड्राइविंग. सो इस केस में मस्ट जो है वो आपका 100% अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है. It is an obligation, it is used for an obligation, but in this sentence the obligation comes from outsource. ये जो obligation आई है ये rules की तरफ से आई. So the correct sentence is he has to wear a helmet while driving. This is the major difference that we have to keep in our mind while in filling the blanks while using must and have to in any sentence. Let's learn more. Here we have must versus have to. What is the basic difference? So here is the difference. Must is personal, that I have told in the last slide. Have to is impersonal. It is not personal. In have to we are not talking about personal things. we use it to express our feelings. इसको हम अपनी feelings को express करने के लिए must का use कर सकते हैं. But have to we are not using to express our feelings. We use it for facts, not for personal feelings. We use it for rules, regulations, laws. We cannot use have to for our personal feelings. She is in need, I have to help her. No, it is wrong. Whenever you are doing impersonal things, you are having obligations that is impersonal. In that case only you will be using have to and has to. You must help her, she is away from her family. तुम्हें उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए, वो अपनी फैमिली से दूर है. The grass has grown tall. जो grass है वो लंबी हो चुकी है, बढ़ चुकी है. I must cut it. मुझे उसे काटना चाहिए. So this is the obligation that is personal. You have seen the grass, you have seen the growth of the grass. It is not told by any law. ये आपको किसी law की तरफ से नहीं बताया गया कि आपको grass को cut करना है. It is totally personal, so you will use must for obligation. Next, my room is untidy. I have to clean it before the guests arrive. My room is untidy. मुझे उसको clean करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? यहाँ पर obligation किसकी तरफ से आ रही है कि जो गेस्ट आएंगे वो घर आके विजिट करने वाले हैं. And the obligation is coming from outsources. He has to wear an identity card at school. This is as per the rules and regulations. Whenever we are working somewhere, either we are working as a teacher in any school, we are working as an employee in any office, or we are talking about students. They are going to school, so we have to wear an identity card. So here we are abide with rules and regulation. I have not spoken to him for a long time. I must call him today. मैंने उससे बड़े लंबे समय से बात नहीं किया. I must call him. It means I am feeling the same कि I must call him. ये totally personal है. The teacher wants the homework. Tomorrow I have got to finish it tonight. So ये कहाँ पर है? ये rules की and regulations को describe करता है कि कल जो है टीचर होमवर्क देखने वाला है and I have to finish it. और मुझे वो आज ही finish करना पड़ेगा because tomorrow I have to submit the notebook. So keep one thing in your mind while using much, must and have to. They both are used for obligation, but it is personal and it is impersonal. The speaker is keeping the obligations, but here outsources. We are not getting obligations by the speaker. So this is the main thing that we have to keep in our mind while filling the sentence. It is personal, but it is on the basis of rules, regulations, laws. So you have to keep these 3 points in your mind while using must and have to in any sentence. See here the explanation is given. In the first sentence, the obligation comes from the speaker. Yes, I have not spoken him. मैंने उससे बड़े लंबे टाइम से बात नहीं की. I must. So the obligation is coming from speaker. But in the second sentence, the obligation comes from outside. And obligation is on the basis of rules. We are abide by the rules. Must versus have to, both must versus have to express an obligation. An obligation is an action which is considered a duty. Okay. However, there is a difference between the way they are used. Have to in place of have got to. This I have explained. Both have the same meaning. This is just the point to be noted. That have to and have got to, they both have same meaning. Don't get confused in the same. When an obligation comes from speaker, we use must. When an obligation comes from external sources like rule or law, so we use have to. The sentences are given. You must check your belongings. तुम्हें अपने सामान को check कर लेना चाहिए. Belongings, the things belong to you. Citizens have got to carry an ID card. जितने भी citizens हैं, it is a rule. Whenever we are going for voting, जब हम vote के लिए भी जाते हैं, so we are told कि we have to carry our Aadhaar card, identity card. So in the same way, citizens have got to carry an ID. So this is as per rules, as per law. So we have used have got to or have to here. Hope you all have understood the basic difference between must versus have to. They both are used for obligation, but yes, they have some minute difference between them, must and have to. Must is used as personal feeling, but have to is used for impersonal feelings. Have to we are using for any rules and laws, but must we are using for our personal feelings. Hope you all have understood the difference between must versus have to. Hope you all have liked the session. Thank you for watching. See you again. Thank you.